A very pleasant morning to all of you. Welcome to the online teaching services of St. Thomas High School, Mahua. Dear students, today I, Raja Parekh, am here to further continue with the subject of social science for the students of class 6th. My dear students, today we are going to start with unit number 4, that is early states of political system in India. First of all, what is political system? My dear students, in a very simple language, if I say, you might have heard about the various political parties right now in India, such as BJP, Congress, etc. But how before in the earlier times, how the people used to govern the entire nation or their particular state is what we are going to see in this chapter. We get the information about the political system and institutions from Vedas, epics and Buddhist texts. The form in Rigved period or Vedic period, the form of a statehood was similar to that of Kabilai rule. Kabilai rule means tribal governance system. The head of this tribal governance system was called Rajanya. That means the head who was to be elected. The political systems like Sabha and Samiti existed. What is Sabha and Samiti? Sabha means assembly and Samiti means committee. This community was also called Vish. Afterwards, different types of political systems were implemented in India. So after this kind of system, this kind of governance system, various other changes were made in the political system and implemented in India. My dear students, we know that right now elections are held in order to select the appropriate leader for the nation. The next comes Janpad. About 1000 before Christ, the early states of different clans were established in Punjab and the Ganges river. These were called Janpad. Janpad was the area or place of a person's habitat. The word Janpad is used in the sense of state. So after we came to know that this tribal governance system was implemented, so after almost 1000 years, the early states were established on the areas of Punjab and the plains of Ganga. They were called Janpad. Janpad means an area or the place where persons reside. Janpad word was used in the sense of state. Right now we have various states in India. So in the same way, in the same manner, the people used to divide the states and called it a Janpad. Janpad was the state system that was very unique from the clan society of Rigved age. It includes the state of different groups like Kuru and Panchal. So Janpad was very different from the tribal governance system. It included various changes in the sense of states. The very next comes Mahajanpad. Around 6th century, about 16 Mahajanpads have been found in India. Some of these Mahajanpads were republics while some were monarchy types of states. These Janpads were outlined in the following table. So here the next comes Mahajanpad. There were about 16 Janpads in India around 6th century. Some were republic and some were monarchy. That means the king used to rule those states. 16 Mahajanpads had been formed in the post-Vedic book in the book of Aguratya Nikaya written in Pali language. So we can get the information about this Mahajanpads from a book of a Vedic period. So let's see which were the 16 Mahajanpads. Anga, the capital of Anga was Champa and the current location is in East Bihar. The very next is Vaji. Vaji, the capital of Vaji is Vaishali and the current location is right now in North Bihar. The third one is Mala. The capital of Mala was Kushinara, the area near Gorakhpur which is right now in Uttar Pradesh. The next comes Kashi. You might have heard the name Varanasi and the current location is also in Varanasi. Magad. The capital of Magad is Girivraj or Rajgriha. The current location is in South Bihar. The sixth one is Koshal, Sharavasti, right now in Awadh. Vatsa, the capital of Vatsa was Kushambi, Right now it is in Prayagraj, that is in Uttar Pradesh. The eighth one is Chedi, that is Suktimati, the region near Yamuna and Narmada. So dear students, you can go through this 16 names from your textbook itself. In the very next class, we will discuss the monarchy system accordingly. Till then, you have to read the textbook as a part of your homework. Study at your home and stay safe. Thank you.